Yeah, I got it. Drop my laser though. There it is. Holy crap, that's so bright.
Yep. That's putting on. That's going to be a nice post. That one.
Well, it looks the same because we're looking at it through freaking night vision. Look at this thing.
I mean, you can see it without night.
It's slowed down too.
Yep.
Yeah, I should have brought out the other camera for this one. It's low.
Very cool.
Yeah, this is for everybody to see, not just us.
Yep. You just taking it nice and easy.
Yep.
Putting on a nice show.
No sound.
Nope.
That's bright like a welder's torch almost.
I'm telling you.
Very bright. See if I can get some zoom on it. Yep, I got zoom. Change of perspective.
That is really cool. I put on a nice show, that one.
Yeah, I got it in both ways. That's crazy.
Yeah.
I just knew that was an airplane because it was so bright. It was real close to that jet.
That's about the best one we've seen.
Yeah, yep. That's as lit up can be.
I'm telling you. I mean, I can still see it here just by eye.
Yep.